Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make s'mores cookie cups. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs. You can either buy those already in the crumbs or you can just put them in a food processor. That's what I did. It was almost 1 sleeve. I had 1 cracker left. Then you need 1 1/4 cup of flour. You can go ahead and put that in a medium bowl if you want. Then you need a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/3 cup of regular granulated sugar, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of butter softened, which is 1 stick, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you need 2 of the regular size Hershey bars. And then you need 12 marshmallows, and you want to go ahead and cut those in half so they make 2 circles. So you'll have 24 altogether. Okay, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350, and then you want to spray your little mini muffin tin with cooking spray. Alright, next you want to go ahead and take your dry ingredients. So that is your baking soda, the salt, the cookie crumbs, and you want to go ahead and just mix those, and your flour, and mix those together with a whisk. Alright, that looks good, so you want to go ahead and set that to the side. Okay, so now in a large bowl, you want to take both sugars and your butter and mix that with an electric mixer on medium until it is light and fluffy and creamy. Alright, go ahead and add in your vanilla extract and egg and mix that again until combined. Alright, now we are going to take our dry ingredients and slowly add it into our wet, stirring it until it's combined. Alright, that is exactly what the dough is supposed to look like. So now we are just going to go ahead and fill up our muffin tins with this. You should have enough to fill up all 24 cups. Alright, this looks pretty even. You're supposed to be able to fill them all the way to the top, but mine are all just a little short of that. You can just go ahead and pat them down with your hand or whatever. A spoon works too. So we're going to go ahead and stick these in the oven at 350 for 8 minutes. Alright, those just came out of the oven, and even though you think they're not done, they are. So you just want to go ahead and take a teaspoon measuring cup and press a little spoon just in the center of each of these to put our marshmallow. Just a little indent. Alright, that looks good. So now we want to take one of our marshmallows and just place them sticky side down into each of these little indents. Alright, those fit perfectly in there. So now is the wait time. We're going to let these go ahead and cool off right here like this for 20 minutes. 20 minutes is up. Now we're going to go ahead and stick 1 little bar of our Hershey on each one of our marshmallows. Stick our oven on to broil on the high setting and broil those for 1 to 2 minutes. Just watch them so they don't burn. You just want the chocolate to melt and the marshmallows to get a little bit crispy. Alright, those look and smell delicious. We're going to let them cool for about 10 minutes and then we can have Taste Tester have a little taste. Alright, these are all ready to go and cooled off, so we're going to see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, here's our little Taste Tester ready to have a taste. Go ahead, Taste Tester. He looks like he's ready to go camping and fishing. Do you like it? Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.